Once again, hello, the viewers. I'm happy questions are streaming in. This is a really indication that people really want to understand more about hearing impairment. And I'm happy because when we understand this condition, we shall be in a very good position to help our colleagues who have the same condition. Now, a viewer has posed a very interesting question here. He says he neighbors a special school for the hearing impairment. And he says whenever he passes by the school, teachers are in class teaching, they are signing, at the same time they are talking. So the viewer is wondering, if these children are deaf, why can't the teachers sign without producing speech? Because these kids are not hearing. Why are they talking? I found that to be very interesting, and I wish to share some light on the same. Now, one, severity of deafness differs from one individual to another. It's not the same the way we perceive it. We've got people who have mild hearing impairment. Others have got moderate hearing impairment. Others have got severe hearing impairment. And others have got hearing impairment that is profound. Now let's look at the first two categories, that is mild and moderate. We wrongly refer to them as deaf. They are not. Correctly, we should refer to them as hard of hearing. Hard of hearing means, although these people cannot hear well, but at least they have got some ability to perceive some sounds. They have what we refer to as residual hearing. That is mild and moderate. Then the other last two categories, that is severe and profound. These are people who cannot benefit from, they cannot understand verbal instructions. Maybe they can get some vibrations from the environment, like when a vehicle is coming and so forth, but verbally, they are not able to get instructions. So when you are teaching a class of children who are deaf, remember we've got these 4 categories. In that one class, there are those who have mild hearing impairment, moderate. At the same time, we have those who are severe and profound. Now, these who are mild and moderate, if you speak louder, these children are able to get verbal instructions. That is why teachers who teach learners with hearing impairment are encouraged when they are teaching. As they sign, they also produce sounds, because in that class, there are those who have got some little hearing, and if the teacher speaks louder, they are able to get verbal instructions. And then at the same time, we have those who have severe and profound hearing loss. Now, these ones also, it's important for you to produce sound, because these children are able to look at your lips and make sense of what you are talking about. There's lip reading, there is a speech reading. Okay, just for example, if I look at you, if I meet you and I'm not happy, even before I tell you that I'm not happy, you are able to know this person here is not happy. How? And I've not told you. Because you can look at my face and see this person here, there's something wrong. This person here is not the way he is normally. So these children, although they are not hearing, but as you form some words on your lips, they are able to get the meaning. They are able to get meaning just by looking at your lips. Also, your face helps them to understand a lot. So it's paramount that teachers who teach learners with hearing impairment, we embrace that philosophy of total communication. You are signing, you are speaking, You see, use any mean that will help the learners get the instructions that you are giving. So that is why, my friend, that is why when you pass by a special school for the deaf or hearing impaired children, you will notice the teachers are there teaching. They are producing speech at the same time they are signing. In that class, there are those who have got very good residual hearing and they have hearing aids. They are able to get verbal instructions. To those who are profound or severe, looking at the lips and your face, they are also able to make sense of what you are talking about. So that is why you'll find in a class of learners with hearing impairment, the teacher is signing at the same time speaking, so that all can benefit from the teacher. I think you can see why. When you pass by the school, the teachers are signing at the same time they are speaking. Yet those kids, you passing on the road, you look at them as deaf, but they are not. Some are deaf, yes, but some are hard of hearing. They've got some good residual hearing. Are we somewhere? Yeah, thank you.